Have you ever wondered how a woman who's been emotionally bruised can rise again stronger, more resolute, and completely unshakable? What does it take for a Sigma female who's faced the harsh sting of emotional abuse to reclaim her power? In this video, we're diving deep into the transformative journey of emotionally abused Sigma females and revealing the powerful steps they take to regain control over their lives. 1. Understanding the Sigma female, a brief overview. Before we jump into the steps of empowerment, let's take a moment to understand what it means to be a Sigma female. Sigma females are independent, self-reliant, and fiercely introspective. They don't fit into traditional societal molds, and they value their autonomy above all else. These women are often misunderstood because they walk their own path, driven by an internal compass rather than external validation. When a Sigma female experiences emotional abuse, it can be particularly jarring. Unlike others who may lean on social networks for support, Sigma females often deal with their pain in solitude, making their recovery journey unique and deeply personal. Emotional abuse targets their inner strength, making them question their worth, values, and autonomy. But here's the thing, Sigma females are also resilient. When they decide to take back control, they do it with an unyielding resolve that leaves no room for doubt. 2. Acknowledging the hurt, the first step to healing. Sigma females are known for their strength, but even the strongest among us can be deeply wounded by emotional abuse. The first and most crucial step to reclaiming power is acknowledging the pain and hurt. Emotional abuse often leaves invisible scars that may not be immediately apparent, even to the person bearing them. For a Sigma female, acknowledging this hurt isn't about playing the victim, it's about recognizing the damage done and understanding that it's okay to feel pain. It's essential to sit with those emotions, even if just for a moment, without trying to push them away. By doing so, Sigma females honor their experience and set the stage for healing. It's this honest confrontation with their emotions that allows them to begin the journey back to self. 3. Setting firm boundaries, reclaiming control. Once the hurt is acknowledged, the next step is setting firm boundaries. Sigma females are naturally independent, but emotional abuse often involves the erosion of personal boundaries, leaving them vulnerable. Reclaiming power means drawing clear lines about what is and isn't acceptable in relationships, whether they're romantic, familial, or platonic. Setting boundaries is an empowering act. It's about saying, "This is who I am, and this is what I will not tolerate." It can be challenging, especially if the abuser has been someone close or trusted. However, this step is non-negotiable. By establishing these boundaries, Sigma females take control of their lives and signal to the world and themselves that they refuse to be mistreated. 4. Embracing solitude, rediscovering the inner self. Sigma females thrive in solitude, but after experiencing emotional abuse, even solitude can feel daunting. However, solitude is where the Sigma female finds her strength. It's in these moments of quiet reflection that she reconnects with her inner self, separate from the influence of others. This period of solitude is not about isolation, it's about introspection. Sigma females use this time to reflect on who they are and what they truly want out of life. They delve into their thoughts, beliefs, and values, stripping away the layers of doubt and confusion imposed by the abuser. It's a process of rediscovery, where they learn to listen to their intuition once again. 5. Rediscovering passions, fueling the inner fire. Abuse often dims the passions that once burned bright. For Sigma females, reclaiming their power means reigniting that fire. They begin by revisiting the hobbies, interests, and activities that once brought them joy and satisfaction. Whether it's painting, writing, hiking, or any other passion, these activities become a crucial part of their healing process. Rediscovering passions is more than just a distraction, it's a way to reclaim identity. It's about doing something purely for the sake of joy and fulfillment. This re-engagement with their passions serves as a reminder of their talents and abilities, qualities that may have been overshadowed during their time of emotional turmoil. 6. Seeking therapy, breaking the stigma. For many Sigma females, seeking therapy might feel like a sign of weakness. However, the truth is, therapy is a powerful tool for regaining strength and clarity. A good therapist provides a safe space to explore the impact of the abuse, offering guidance on how to navigate the complex emotions that come with it. Therapy isn't about reliving the trauma, it's about understanding it, processing it, and finding ways to move forward. For Sigma females, therapy can be the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of themselves and their experiences. It's an empowering step that reinforces their commitment to self-care and healing. 7. Building a support system strengthens connection. Though Sigma females are often self-reliant, even they need a support system. Emotional abuse can leave one feeling isolated, and having a network of trusted friends or family members is crucial during the recovery process. This support system doesn't have to be large, it's about quality, not quantity. Sigma females carefully choose who they let into their inner circle. These are people who respect their boundaries, understand their need for independence, and offer unwavering support without judgment. Whether it's through deep conversations, shared activities, or simply being present, this support network plays a pivotal role in their journey to reclaim power. 8. Practicing self-care, nourishing the mind, body, and soul. Self-care is non-negotiable for Sigma females on the path to recovery. Emotional abuse can take a significant toll on both mental and physical health, making it essential to engage in activities that promote well-being. This can include everything from regular exercise and a balanced diet to meditation, journaling, and even simple acts like taking a relaxing bath. Self-care isn't just about pampering, it's about reinforcing the message that the Sigma female's well-being is a priority. It's a declaration that she deserves to feel good, not just emotionally but physically and mentally as well. Over time, these small acts of self-care accumulate, leading to a renewed sense of self-worth and empowerment. 9. Developing emotional intelligence, mastering the mind. The emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage one's emotions effectively. For Sigma females, cultivating this skill is essential in the aftermath of emotional abuse. It involves recognizing their own emotional responses, understanding the triggers, and learning how to navigate these emotions without being overwhelmed by them. By developing emotional intelligence, Sigma females can better handle difficult situations and relationships in the future. It gives them the tools to communicate their needs clearly, assertively, and compassionately. This mastery over their emotions is a powerful way to reclaim control over their lives, ensuring they never fall victim to emotional manipulation again. 10. Reaffirming self-worth, the core of empowerment. At the heart of reclaiming power is the reaffirmation of self-worth. Emotional abuse can erode a person's sense of value, making them feel insignificant or unworthy of love and respect. For Sigma females, rebuilding self-worth is a gradual process that requires patience and dedication. This process often begins with positive affirmations and self-compassion. Sigma females remind themselves daily of their strengths, achievements, and intrinsic value. They learn to silence the inner critic, replacing self-doubt with self-belief. Over time, this practice transforms their mindset, allowing them to see themselves as they truly are capable, deserving, and powerful. 11. Cutting toxic ties, decluttering life. One of the most liberating steps in the recovery process is cutting ties with toxic individuals. Emotional abuse often involves manipulation by people who are supposed to care for us. These relationships can be difficult to sever, but for Sigma females, it's a necessary step in reclaiming their power. This doesn't always mean a dramatic exit. Sometimes it's about creating distance or redefining the terms of the relationship. Whether it's a friend, family member, or romantic partner, Sigma females learn to prioritize their mental and emotional health above all else. By removing toxic influences from their lives, they create space for healthier, more supportive relationships to flourish. 12. Establishing new goals, moving forward with purpose. Once Sigma females have reclaimed their sense of self-worth and established boundaries, they begin to look toward the future. Establishing new goals is a critical part of their recovery. These goals might be personal, professional, or a mix of both, but they all share a common purpose to move forward with intention and clarity. Setting goals gives Sigma females a renewed sense of direction. It shifts their focus from the past to the future, allowing them to channel their energy into something positive and productive. Whether it's pursuing a new career path, starting a creative project, or working on self-improvement, these goals become the stepping stones to a brighter, more empowered future. 13. Practicing forgiveness, releasing the past. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing, but it's often misunderstood. For Sigma females, practicing forgiveness isn't about excusing the abuser's actions or forgetting the pain they caused. Instead, it's about releasing the emotional hold the abuse has on them. Forgiveness is a personal choice that allows Sigma females to let go of the anger, resentment, and bitterness that can keep them trapped in the past. By forgiving, they free themselves from the burden of carrying that pain, making room for new positive experiences to enter their lives. It's an act of self-liberation, allowing them to move forward without the weight of past traumas holding them back. 14. Strengthening mental resilience, building an unbreakable mindset. Mental resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity, and for Sigma females, this is a skill they cultivate with great care. Strengthening mental resilience involves developing a mindset that can withstand challenges without crumbling. It's about learning how to adapt, cope, and thrive, even in the face of difficulties. Sigma females work on their mental resilience through various practices, such as mindfulness, positive thinking, and challenging limiting beliefs. They understand that setbacks are a part of life, but they refuse to let these setbacks define them. By building mental resilience, they create a strong foundation for lasting empowerment. 15. Embracing vulnerability, the paradox of strength. Vulnerability is often seen as a weakness, but for Sigma females, it's a paradoxical source of strength. Embracing vulnerability means allowing themselves to be open and authentic, even when it feels risky. It's about accepting that they don't have to be invincible to be powerful. When Sigma females embrace vulnerability, they build deeper, more meaningful connections with others. They learn that it's okay to ask for help, to share their struggles, and to be honest about their emotions. This openness doesn't diminish their strength, it enhances it by making them more human, relatable, and resilient. 16. Rejecting negative self-talk, rewriting the inner dialogue. Negative self-talk is one of the most insidious effects of emotional abuse. It's the voice that tells Sigma females they're not good enough, smart enough, or worthy of love and respect. To reclaim their power, they must learn to reject this negative self-talk and rewrite their inner dialogue. This process involves becoming aware of the negative thoughts and consciously replacing them with positive, affirming ones. Sigma females challenge the lies they've been told and remind themselves of their strengths, accomplishments, and worth. Over time, this practice transforms their mindset, allowing them to see themselves in a more positive light. 17. Practicing gratitude, focusing on the positive. Gratitude is a powerful practice that shifts focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in life. For Sigma females, practicing gratitude is a way to cultivate a positive outlook, even in the aftermath of emotional abuse. It's about recognizing the good that still exists, no matter how small. Every day, Sigma females take a moment to reflect on the things they're grateful for, whether it's a supportive friend, a peaceful moment, or a personal achievement. This practice helps them stay grounded in the present and fosters a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Gratitude becomes a source of strength, reminding them of the beauty and joy that life has to offer. 18. Celebrating small wins, acknowledging progress. Recovery from emotional abuse is a journey, and it's important to celebrate the small wins along the way. For Sigma females, these small victories are milestones that mark their progress and remind them of their resilience. Whether it's setting a boundary, achieving a personal goal, or simply having a good day, Sigma females acknowledge these moments and give themselves credit where it's due. Celebrating small wins reinforces their sense of accomplishment and motivates them to keep moving forward. It's a way of saying, I'm getting stronger every day, and that's worth celebrating. 19. Embracing change, adapting with grace. Change is inevitable, and for Sigma females, embracing change is a key part of reclaiming their power. Emotional abuse often leaves one clinging to the familiar, even when it's harmful. But Sigma females understand that true empowerment comes from being able to adapt and embrace the new. Whether it's a change in relationships, career, or personal beliefs, Sigma females approach it with grace and openness. They see change as an opportunity for growth, a chance to reinvent themselves and create a life that aligns with their true values. By embracing change, they step into their power with confidence and resilience. 20. Living authentically, the ultimate reclamation of power. At the end of their journey, Sigma females emerge stronger, wiser, and more in tune with their true selves. The ultimate reclamation of power is living authentically, being true to who they are unapologetically. This authenticity is the essence of the Sigma female's strength. Living authentically means making choices that align with their values, passions, and beliefs. It's about being honest with themselves and others, setting boundaries, and pursuing their goals with determination. Sigma females no longer feel the need to conform to others' expectations. They walk their own path with confidence and conviction. Conclusion. The journey of reclaiming power after emotional abuse is not easy, but for Sigma females, it's a path to true empowerment. By acknowledging their pain, setting boundaries, and embracing their true selves, they rise from the ashes stronger than ever. These steps are not just about healing, they're about transformation, becoming the most authentic, empowered version of themselves. Remember, your power is within you. It's time to reclaim it and live the life you deserve.